In this Monspark review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Monspark. Monspark is a software that allows you to monitor the performance and functionality of your website with real-time notifications. Alright, so once you're logged in and you've got your account, your website, your business set up, you'll be taken straight to this page right here. Now you can see you have this dashboard with a litany of features and analytics they provide you. So first, we've already put our website here, which is just again normal cashmore-mashable.com blog. You have the details here, of course. We don't own this website actually because this is just a famous blog website, but you'll put an SSL certificate website there, and then you'll see all your monitors and the time responses, the valid SSLs, the up monitors, the down monitors, and your uptime in general. And that's the monitor we've utilized, but we'll get into the monitor creation in just a little bit. And if you just scroll down again, you have all these features they show you essentially, and the date that's ongoing with your site you put up, the event that's went up, the description, monitors up for 39 minutes 35 seconds, and you can see the monitor details right there. So these are all just statistical, analytical information that you can get with a monitor being set in place. So we'll go to create monitor now. Now here is where you have a list of monitors you can actually create and utilize for yourself. So we have here uptime monitor, text monitor, screenshot monitor, and naturally, as you can expect, they all do different things for your website and monitor very different things. So uptime seems to be the most used one. It says it alerts you when your site is down and notifies you automatically when it goes back up if you're subject to any breakdowns, any intrusions. It can monitor that for you and detect whether your site is going down or when it's going up, and all the information you'll need if any problems should befall your site. Text monitor as well. Again, just notifying you when text changes. Same with the screenshot. You can kind of guess where it's going. The word says before the monitor is what it's going to do for you and monitor for you and provide you with information about. Then you've got DNS monitor right here. Again, just monitors your DNS records to make sure the website and the network settings are up to date and they're okay. And the lighthouse as well. So this is a nice one for page quality and just detecting potential problems. And this is uniquely powered by Google as well. So that's quite good to see. And you've got a whole list right here. Again, URL monitor too, which is quite a nice one. So again, you have the option to choose whichever of these you would like, but we'll go for create uptime monitor. And here you can see you can put your website, your HTTP URL, and then you get your example website right here. So essentially, if we want to put the URL of the website, just mashable.com, put it right there. Check interval, how often should the check be run? Every 5 minutes, every 15. You can decide which works for you, but 5 minutes is nice. You know, that's the one we're going to go for. Request settings as well. Again, you can sort out request settings if you want to. You know, just get available status codes, 400 for one unauthorized, 42 payment required. Even a DNS, you can customize your DNS as well, or prevent redirection from the target website to another if that's going to be a problem that you don't want to deal with. We've created the monitor, and we have right here the status, the SSL, the expiration, 9 months left, and the status code as well, and uptime 100%. So it's working fine. The website's doing okay. There's nothing to worry about there. Again, naturally, because it's quite a successful and popular website, so it naturally would be okay, and there wouldn't be many things. You can filter any amount of monitors you have by name, by status if you want to, by monitor type, or you can sort by SSL expiration, creation date, and monitor name, or even uptime itself, and other filters you have here as well that are provided all below for you. And again, of course, you know, other monitors will look quite different than uptime, but if you go for all those monitors, you'll find the differences yourself. Then we'll go through status page again. just again, it'll be the name of the page the customers will see when they visit your page. It lets you show the status of your services, just what's up, what's not, what's working, what can be relied upon. Then you have surfaces as well. And it just gives you a score of your website based on everything it monitors and analyzes. So your security, your SEO, your integrity score, your availability score as well. Again, this says here based on 2 monitors. So you can see, again, they're both the same monitor. This both still uptime monitor. But you can see whatever monitors you have, however many you decide to sell on your website, it'll take in the analytics of everything that's going on within that monitor and within your website, and it'll put it right there. And you can see we have a nice A+ right there. Again, I say we hesitantly because it's not ours, but the site we're using has a great rating and availability metrics as well. You can look into a bit more detail here. Uptime's above 99%, keep it up. Response times below 100 milliseconds, keep it up. So again, it's analyzed everything about Mashboard.com essentially, and it's just told us what's working really well. If it wasn't working well, it would let us know underneath right there. Then you go to integrations and you have all the different softwares you can integrate with Monspark as well. They're not so many here, but you've got some good ones. You have Discord, you can add that integration if you wanted to. You've got Slack, you've got Teams, SMS, phone call, and Zapier as well. And Discord, again, if you want to integrate them, it'll look something like that. You put the connection name, the webhook URL, and you connect that channel easily right there to whatever Discord channel you have. So that's quite good to have. We'll then go to profile as well. And here you can see your profile details naturally. You have opening tools, your email, your teams as well. And we'll get into the team just in a little bit, as that's another feature. Then when your account's created, again, these are natural things. You can edit your name, password, the date format you want to utilize, the time zone you want to utilize in case it's changed. Sign up with your Google. You can link your Google account or your LinkedIn or your Slack and GitHub, and panel customization and bars as well. You can essentially utilize. You can save those customizations, or you can save the changes yourself if you want to. Then you go to teams, and teams here, again, you can have more than one person working on this software. So you can have an entire team with you. You invite a member here, you simply put in their email address, and I'll send them an invite, and they'll be able to connect straight to this account and edit and add any monitors that you want to utilize for your website, which would probably be very useful if you're running quite a large website that needs a big team. Got security here as well, just natural security. You know, if you want to add your account to a 2-factor authentication scanning code, so it can avoid any false logins, anyone that's not meant to be logging in or have a handle on your account. You can do it through the QR code, through manual entry, configure the app to a 2-factor authentication, or you can install an authentication app on your iPhone or Android and get it straight through. So once you go back to dashboard again, you can see it's got the 2 monitors right there, 2 valid SSLs. And again, they're both the same site, just because for review purposes, we put the same site. But you can rely on these monitors to help you out in monitoring everything they precisely say they're going to monitor for your website, and give you all the great information you have. Our uptime's been 100% up for the last hour. You can see as well response times. They vary and fluctuate a little bit, but they're right here for us. Got the ping as well that you're dealing with the website if you want to. You got the time scale, last week, last day, last hour, month. All these detailed informations that help you monitor your website perfectly. Overall, I think Monspark is a detailed and effective software to utilize. The monitors are really helpful and can help you improve your website regardless of whatever stuff it's trying to find, research, or detect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll provide a discounted link so you can get your money's worth. Thanks for your time.